What if I told you that overthinking your YouTube strategy might actually be slowing you down? Yeah, I'm serious. The fastest way to grow your YouTube channel might just be by throwing the rulebook out the window and diving in without a plan. Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm going to walk you through how this zero strategy can help you start faster, grow smarter, and avoid the analysis paralysis trap. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back to Second Win Success, where we help you build a profitable YouTube business after 40. Now, I know starting a channel can feel like a mountain of shoulds. You should niche down, you should have a perfect thumbnails, you should know your content pillars before you upload anything. But honestly, most of the time, all those shoulds just lead to overthinking, procrastination, and zero action. That's why today, I want to flip the script and share a wildly effective approach I call the zero strategy. It's all about getting started, learning as you go, and letting your audience guide your growth. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to take action, even if you're starting from scratch. Why overplanning is a growth killer. Let's talk about overplanning for a second. How many times have you found yourself stuck in research mode? You're watching videos about the perfect niche, analysing competitors, maybe even drafting content ideas, but you still haven't posted a single video. It's like planning the perfect road trip, but never actually hitting the road. Here's the thing. YouTube success isn't about starting with a perfect strategy. It's about starting messy and figuring it out along the way. Overplanning often leads to analysis paralysis. You're so focused on getting it right that you end up doing nothing at all. And trust me, I've been there. The zero strategy is all about breaking free from that trap. It's about putting yourself out there, experimenting, and using your results to shape your next move. Because here's the truth, not even the biggest YouTubers have a crystal ball that will predict what will work. The algorithm rewards action, not perfection. The fear's holding you back. Let's address the elephant in the room, the fear of failure. What if I post and no one watches? What if I pick the wrong topic? What if my videos just aren't good enough? I get it. These fears are completely normal, especially when you're starting out. But let me ask you this. What's worse? Posting something imperfect or staying stuck in your comfort zone while others who started later pass you by? The truth is your first videos won't be perfect, and they're not supposed to be. Think of them as your training ground. Every video you post is a step closer to finding your voice, understanding your audience, and improving your content. The zero strategy is about embracing imperfection and learning by doing. The zero strategy in action. So, how does the zero strategy actually work? Let me break it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1, start with what you know. You don't need to pick the perfect niche right away. Just start with something you're passionate about or know a lot about. For example, if you're into DIY projects, post a video showing how to build a simple piece of furniture. If you love cooking, share your favorite 15-minute dinner recipe. The goal isn't to nail your niche. It's to start creating and see what resonates. Step 2, hit record, not perfect. Don't wait until you have the perfect camera or the perfect setup. Use what you have, your phone, a basic mic, and natural light. Your first videos don't need to look like Netflix productions. They just need to exist. The magic happens when you start. Step 3, analyze, don't obsess. Once you've uploaded a few videos, start paying attention to the data. Which videos are getting the most views? What are people commenting on? What topics are generating engagement? This is your audience telling you what they want more of. Instead of guessing, you're using real feedback to guide your next steps. Step 4, double down on what works. Let's say your DIY furniture video gets 100 views, but your recipe video only gets 20. That's your signal to create more DIY content. The zero strategy is all about spotting patterns and leaning into them. You'll refine your focus naturally as you go. Step 5, simplify to amplify. Don't overwhelm yourself with fancy tools or techniques right away. Focus on the basics. Clear audio, decent lighting, and authentic delivery. The rest, like editing skills and better equipment, can come later. For now, just keep it simple and consistent. This approach, it isn't just theory. I've seen it work in real life. For example, when I posted my video, how can you tell if your YouTube channel will succeed in 2025? I didn't overthink it. I shared my honest perspective, and within a few days it had over 100 views. More importantly, the comments showed me what people found valuable in that video. That feedback has shaped my next few videos. I'm going to dive deeper into topics like focus and time management. This literally is the zero strategy in action. Start, learn, and adjust. I know starting without a concrete plan can feel risky, even scary, but here's what I want you to remember. Every big creator that you admire started somewhere. Their first videos weren't polished or perfect, but they showed up anyway. And that's the difference between success and staying stuck. You don't have to have it all figured out to take the first step. Growth comes from action, and clarity comes from doing. The zero strategy is your permission slip to start messy, learn fast, and grow confidently. So here's your challenge. Pick one video idea and film it this week. Don't overthink it, just hit record and post it. If you're stuck on what to create, download my free guide, The Beginner's YouTube Toolkit. It's linked below, and it's packed with simple steps to help you start your channel today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to grow your YouTube channel. Remember, your first step is your best step. So let's make it happen. Thanks for hanging out with me again today. Keep creating, keep learning, and don't forget, the best way to grow on YouTube is to start. I'll see you in the next video.